I thought I would do a quick video for anyone out there that's got a Samsung Focus S SGH-i937. As you can see, the screen has been broken. This video is just literally about how to replace it. What you need to do is take the back off first. It will pop open and remove the SIM and the battery. You can buy any of these mobile phone removal tools on the internet for a couple of pounds. They just make it a bit easier to prise the screen off. Next, you need to remove 7 screws. I've already removed 6 to speed this up. Now with the Samsung Focus S SGH-i937, it's slightly different than the earlier models. What you need to do is actually heat up the screen, so it's easier to prise off with the prise off removal tool. Next, with the screen remover tool, slowly work your way around the edge, slowly prizing away the screen. If you feel like it's a bit too hard to come away, just use the hairdryer again. As you can see, just work it around. This particular model you can't pop out because of the screen and the plastic attached. The process of taking off the screen does take quite a while, but just take your time and use the hairdryer for probably like 20 minutes. The way this screen is broken is shattered down the left hand side, so when you're prizing it off, you are going to have a piece of glass fall off. Just be very careful and just use the hairdryer as much as possible, and it will eventually prise. Like I've done half of it now. It's just starting to come away. I'll just take the rest off, then I'll continue. Okay, just managed to get the rest of the screen away. So just keep all the little bits of glass away from yourself. Managed to remove it, but too much of the glass shattering. Okay, let's have a look. what you need to do is with the tool, see here, this is where it's connected, the ribbon from the main body of the motherboard of the phone to the glass. You can see the replacement one I bought on the internet. So to reiterate, this is for the Samsung Focus S-GH-i937. There's a lot of reports on the internet, many reports on the internet, that you cannot replace the glass, and you cannot buy replacement glass. Well, I have found a place you can buy it, and the only thing you need to do is connect this little ribbon here into here. What she'll do is carefully prise away the ribbon. So this pops open. Okay, after a lot of persuasion and the hairdryer, the glass, that's the ribbon. So the ribbon came out of there to prise away the glass from the phone. It was completely stuck, so you've got to keep heating it up, then the glue will melt, and then it will come away. It doesn't. This is all just glue and part of. Obviously, the phone was broken, so it's all chipped away. But this part doesn't matter because you're going to be replacing it. So it doesn't matter if this gets damaged because you've got the new one. Okay, it's done. Top tip, don't forget to put this piece back in, the earphone. Be careful with the on button as well when you put the case back on. So for the Samsung Focus S SGH-i937, replace the glass. Apparently not possible. There you go. Thank you for watching.